important topic to discuss that affects millions of people worldwide. Diabetes. While many of us are familiar with the common signs of diabetes like increased thirst, frequent urination, and high blood sugar levels, there are some unusual symptoms that can also indicate its presence. And in this video, we will explore 12 unusual symptoms that may indicate the presence of diabetes. So let's get started. First in the list is darker skin on the neck. Darkening of the skin in certain areas, including the neck, can be an unusual symptom associated with diabetes. This condition is often referred to as it can causes migraines. Dark patches might be widespread or only noticeable in decreases of skin. The skin around your neck might also feel velvety or thicker. Apart from the neck, these patches can also develop on various parts of the body, armpits growing, and even the elbows and knees. This condition is common with type 2 diabetes and in those with darker complexions, and in migraines is commonly associated with diabetes. It can also occur due to other factors such as obesity, hormonal disorders, or certain medications. Therefore, do visit a healthcare provider so that the underlying cause can be correctly determined. Let's go to the next symptom, which is weight loss. Unexplained weight loss can be an unusual symptom of diabetes, particularly in the case of undiagnosed or poorly controlled diabetes. In individuals with diabetes, unexplained weight loss is often associated with type 1 diabetes or poorly controlled type 1 diabetes. The weight loss occurs due to body's inability to effectively use glucose, that is sugar, for energy, and this results in the breakdown of fat and muscle tissues to provide energy. So the muscle wasting, also known as muscle atrophy, can occur due to the breakdown of muscle tissues for the requirement of energy, and this can lead to weakness and further weight loss. Symptom number 4 is change in vision. Changes in vision can be a symptom of diabetes, and they are often related to a condition known as diabetic eye disease. The changes in vision in diabetes include, first, bloody vision. One of the most common vision-related symptoms of diabetes is bloody vision. Fluctuations in blood sugar levels can cause the lens in your eye to swell, and this leads to temporary changes in your ability to focus, and this results in bloody or hazy vision. Third is cataract. Diabetes can increase the risk of developing cataracts at an earlier age. Fourth is glaucoma. Diabetes can also increase the risk of developing glaucoma, which is a condition that damages the octagonal, and it can lead to vision. Fifth is diabetic retinopathy, which is perhaps the most significant concern for an individual with diabetes. It is a condition that damages the blood vessels in the retina, which is the part of the eye responsible for the vision. And if this condition progresses, it may even lead to vision impairment or blindness if left untreated. This sexual dysfunction, erectile dysfunction, is another possible symptom of diabetes, and this typically affects males with type 2 diabetes, making it difficult for them to achieve an erection. Sexual problems occur when high blood sugar damages nerves and the blood vessels that carry blood to the penis. Sexual dysfunction can also occur in women, resulting in lower arousal and poor lubrication. However, research on sexual issues related to diabetes in women is less conclusive than in men. Symptom number 6 is frequent infections. Frequent infections can indeed be an unusual symptom of diabetes, and they often occur due to the impact of diabetes on the immune system and the body's ability to fight off infections. Frequent infections can include vaginal infections, yeast infections, urinary tract infections, skin infections, and respiratory infections like pneumonia and influenza. People with diabetes may take longer to recover from infections compared to those without the condition. This extended recovery time can be due to the compromised immune function and the impact of high blood sugar levels on the body's healing processes. Symptom: numbability. One of the primary reasons for irritability in individuals with diabetes is fluctuations and blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels become too high, that is hypoglycemia, or too low, that is hypoglycemia. They can both affect the mood and emotional well-being. The combination of low sugar and extreme hunger, that is polyphagia, can make a person feel irritable and impatient. Let's go to the symptom number 8. That is dry skin and itching. Diabetes can affect the body's ability to retain moisture, leading toward dry skin. So, when blood sugar levels are consistently high, it can cause the skin to lose moisture more quickly, resulting in dryness and flakiness. Dry skin is often accompanied by itching, which is a sensation that can be quite bothersome. The itching can occur anywhere in the body, but it is commonly experienced on the lower legs, feet, and around the ankles. Some individuals with diabetes may develop a complication called diabetic neuropathy, which affects the nerves. Neuropathy can lead to abnormal sensations, which also include aging, tingling, or burning sensations in the skin. Let's not go to next symptom. That is a lesser-known symptom of diabetes, and it particularly develops when blood sugar levels are extremely high. Fruity-smelling breath is a hallmark sign of diabetic ketoacidosis, which is a severe and potentially life-threatening complication of diabetes, and it is most commonly seen in people with type 1 diabetes. The diabetic ketoacidosis can also occur in individuals with type 2 diabetes, though it is less common. Diabetic ketoacidosis typically occurs when there is a severe shortage of insulin in the body, and this causes blood sugar levels to rise to dangerous levels. Also, since there is no insulin, the body is not getting sufficient energy. The cells of the body are not getting sufficient energy, and because of this, the body begins to break down the fat for energy. And the breakdown of fat, or the build-on product of fat, is ketones. So there is a production of ketones when the fats are broken down. Symptom number 10 is timeout. Timeout can often be linked to changes in saliva production and the overall impact of diabetes on oral health. Several factors contribute to dry mouth and diabetes, and the pain in your limbs. Pain in the limbs, often referred to as diabetic neuropathy, can be an unusual symptom. Diabetic neuropathy is a condition that affects the nose, and it can manifest as various types of pain and discomfort in the extremities. The exact cause of diabetic neuropathy is not fully understood, but it is believed to be related to prolonged exposure of high blood sugar levels, and in the limbs associated with diabetic neuropathy can manifest in several ways, and I'll tell you a few of them. First is peripheral neuropathy. This is the most common form of diabetic neuropathy, and it often results in burning, tingling, or shooting pain in the hands and feet. Second is proximal neuropathy. This type of neuropathy typically causes pain in thighs, hips, or buttocks. It can lead to weakness in the legs as well. There it is, focal neuropathy. Focal neuropathy affects specific nerves in various parts of the body and can lead to localized pain. For example, it may cause pain in the wrist or other isolated areas. Fourth, autonomic neuropathy. In some cases, diabetes can affect the nerves that control automatic functions like heart rate, digestion, and blood pressure, leading to symptoms such as digestive pain or discomfort. Excessively elevated blood sugar level can lead to increased urination, that is, polyuria, and dehydration, and this dehydration in turn can cause nausea and a general feeling of illness. These are the 12 unusual symptoms that could indicate the presence of diabetes. Remember, area detection and management of diabetes are essential for maintaining good health. If you or someone you know is experiencing any of these symptoms, please seek professional medical advice. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up